Hello. It's only me. So I'm back. I took a little more than a month off because I was sick after Christmas. I got sick for about 4 weeks, and then all that crap. And I had to deal with my septic system. I'm still dealing with, believe it or not. I had to dig more holes everywhere, find more stuff and all that. But anyway, a couple days ago, I hit this with the plastic wheel and got rid of a lot of loose rust. Okay, I couldn't get rid of all that deep stuff with that plastic wheel. So then I used the rust killer on it, all the way around. I went under it all the way around there, and I did so today I cleaned up the shop and put everything outside, get it out of the way. I'm gonna get the top on the car, fit it, make sure that this corner is good and this section here is not low. So my son's gonna help me put that on there real quick, and then I'm going to take it back off, then paint that skeleton, and then let that dry, put wax in all the crevices, spray some wax in all the in-between spots that I could reach, and then let's see, then I will put that on. I bought one of these suckers right there. I got the 110 volt one, and I don't need much more than that for this sheet metal, I don't think. Anyway, that's where I'm at today. So we're gonna fit it, then I'm gonna take it back off, and then I'm going to get this ready, flip this upside down, get it ready. I'd probably scuff the inside, maybe throw a coat of paint on it also, just so it's not just that black primer, you know. Anyway, maybe when I paint this, I'll paint the other side of that. So let's see, that's that today. Well, I painted the inside here. Then I put some wax inside the holes. Sprayed some wax in there all the way around. See, I'm getting this ready. My son's gonna help me flip it so I could take the paint off this side. I did the paint off this side already. Bought one of those suckers. I was gonna buy one a long time ago, but I wasn't sure if they were any good until I saw my buddy use one on his video. So I figure, what the hell, I'll just get one and give it a try, because they're finicky things. Those things right there are pretty finicky, so I wasn't sure if it was good enough. We'll see if it works. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna try to get this spot welded on today. Finish welding on the top. I don't remember the last part of this video what I did, but I think I showed you I painted this skeleton basically inside. I think I did anyway. So anyway, I finished today. I MIG welded the corners, spot welded the parts there. I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy this thing because, you know, Harbor Freight, their tools aren't the greatest. But my buddy Don over at Don's Hot Rod Garage bought one, and he used it and it worked out good for him, so I figured I'd take a chance. And I like it better than MIG welding all those little spots. So that's that. Grinded everything I needed to grind. My next thing is gonna be doing this stuff. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be taking the doors off, and I was thinking of leaving the hinges on, but I think I'm gonna take the hinges off just because, I don't know. I think I had I had to grind out one of the hinges over there on that side, I believe. And I'm going to have to take it off and paint everything. Probably end up welding something too. I think this upper hinge. I think the upper hinge I had to modify. So I'm going to have to take it off and fix it. And then I'm going to sand all this stuff down, get the glove box. I don't have an ashtray, I believe, right? I don't think I have an ashtray. I should get one. Too much money. Or I think maybe I use a piece of cardboard. Just kidding. Let me see something here. I've got, do I have an illustration? Oh, I have that. I have the, this piece of the ashtray that was in there. So I'm going to sandblast those parts. Paint the glove box when I paint the dashboard. I'd like to have the ashtray. Okay, so here's a question for everybody. Does anybody have gas door that they want to sell me? I looked online and let's see, eBay. I was wondering if 55 Pontiac or Buick or 55 GM cars are the same, because I found one for a Pontiac that was really inexpensive, but because there was one for a 55 Chevy, they wanted $1 million for it, so I'm not going to buy that one. But the other guy, he only wanted like, I don't know, $30, something like that. I forget what it was, but let me know if other GM 55 cars fit, because I can get one for $30. I think it was $30 anyway. Let's see, what else was there? Oh yeah, and the ashtray. If anybody has an ashtray they want to sell, I need that. Let's see, what was the other thing? Oh, you know, the brackets that hold the steering column. If anybody has those for sale, anything on down here that holds the steering column, that would be awesome. Because I want to get a steering column, and I need to have that. Let's see. I think that was it. If anybody has any parts they want to part with, let me know. I'm in the market. I'm gonna look online tonight, see if I can find anything, but usually I can't find things, or they're too expensive. So anyway, that's that. I have some parts, but I don't have those parts. Ashtray and gas door. So thanks in advance, and hopefully everyone's having a great day. And this is the last part of this video, because I'm showing you the top. The top is really nice. Really nice. I love it. Looking forward to moving on. All right. Came on real quick. I forgot to mention. Got me a couple of stickers here from another YouTube channeler, or YouTuber, whatever you call them. Anyway, got a couple of right there. Good channel. You guys check it out. And tell them Mike sent you. Added to the sticker board here on my toolbox. All right, good channel. You guys will enjoy it. And let's see, my next adventure on this baby is I'm gonna take the doors off and the hinges, then prep it to paint. I want to paint from the I'm gonna paint from here down. Oops. Here down, and then the whole front section. I'm gonna paint it all. I still have to find the paint code and shit like that for the color I want, and it's gonna be nice. Look forward to doing it. Okay, guys. See you when I see you. Hasta la vista.